Hello, welcome to my channel Kannan Perumal Subbaiah. Subscribe my channel before going to see the video.
Day to day, we are facing uncertainty in making decision. Probability and fuzzy logic or mathematics applied for finding solution for the issue. How? Consider a project being done by two persons, Rama and Krishna. Project failed. In this case, uncertainty is reason for failure. There are maximum of 4 situations. These situations are called as total outcomes. The first situation, failure is not because of Rama or Krishna. Mathematically, this is represented as 0, 0. Second situation, failure is due to Rama only. That is mathematically 1, 0. Third case, failure is due to Krishna only, 0, 1. And fourth case, failure is because of both of them, 1, 1. Favorable outcome is mentioned at each situation. The probability can be calculated as favorable outcome by total outcome. The first situation, the probability is equal to 1 by 4. Since favorable outcome is 1 and total number of outcomes are 4, therefore the probability for the situation 1 is 1 by 4. The second situation, only because of Rama, the probability is 2 by 4 because favorable outcomes are available in 2 situations. In the case of third, the probability is also 2 by 4. And fourth case, because of both of them the failure, therefore the probability is 1 by 4. Therefore, probability is numerical descriptions of how likely an event is occur at each situation. The numerical values are 0.25, 0.5, 0.5 and 0.25 in all 4 situations respectively. All these situations are represented in a square. In reality, failure of the project due to Rama and Krishna are certain percentages. At a situation, the failure due to Rama is 30% and Krishna is 60%. Say this situation is being represented by A. In fuzzy mathematics, A is represented by 0.3, 0.6, which is a point inside the unit square. A is called now fuzzy set, having membership 0.3, 0.6. At another situation, failure due to Rama is 40% and Krishna is 20%. This incident is represented by B Mathematically, B is represented as a fuzzy set 0.4, 0.2. So, A and B are called two fuzzy sets. These 2 points are inside the unit square. Now it is clear there are many situations inside the square. Therefore, fuzzy logic is characterizing and analyzing the uncertainty in a more precise way comparing with probability. Fuzziness is measured as entropy of fuzzy set. In order to understand the entropy, we should know the fuzzy set operation. A intersection with B means minimum of membership of both fuzzy sets. In this case, A intersection with B is 0.3 and 0.2. Then A union with B is maximum membership values of both the set. In this case, A union with B is 0.4, 0.6. Then another important measurement of fuzzy set is called cardinality of fuzzy set. That is how big the fuzzy set is. This is the sum of membership values of the fuzzy set itself. For A, the cardinality is equal to 0.3 plus 0.6, which is equal to 0.9. Similarly, cardinality of the fuzzy set B is equal to 0.4 plus 0.2 equal to 0.6. The membership value of the complement of the fuzzy set A can be calculated as 1 minus 0.3, 1 minus 0.6, which is equal to 0.7, 0.4. The entropy of A, EA, is calculated as the ratio of cardinality of A intersection with A complement to the cardinality of A union with A complement, which is equal to 0.3 plus 0.4 divided by 0.7 plus 0.6, which is equal to 0.7 over 1.3, which is equal to 54% as shown in the display. So the fuzziness of the fuzzy set A is 54%. That is the entropy of fuzzy set A. Similarly, entropy of fuzzy set B is calculated as 0.4 plus 0.2 divided by 0.6 plus 0.8, which is equal to 0.6 over 1.4, which is equal to 43%. So the fuzziness of the fuzzy set B is 43%. That is the entropy of the fuzzy set. The middle point of the unit square M is having membership value 0.5, 0.5. That is the situation. The failure due to Rama is 50% and Krishna is also 50%. Here the uncertainty is maximum. We calculate the entropy of the fuzzy set M, which is equal to 1. So the fuzziness is maximum, that is equal to 1. So as a conclusive remarks, fuzzy logic is analyzing and characterizing the uncertainties in more precise way comparing with the probability, even though the two mathematics are being applied to analyze the uncertainty. This video is dedicated to respected Professor M. Maria Louise, former Principal, Charger College of Engineering, who taught the subject in electrical machines. Thank you.